Good morning. It's January the 4th. We think it's Saturday. We had an argument whether it was Saturday or Sunday. The calendar won. It's Saturday morning. So it's our last day here in Escalante, and we're headed to a place called Hell's Backbone. We stopped by the Forest Ranger Station, and it's closed on Saturdays and Sundays. Imagine that, the tourist center closed on the weekends. What kind of deal is that? But anyway, so we have no idea the conditions of the road. We've heard mixed reports that they're frozen, some that they're open. This is supposed to be an extremely challenging trail, so we're going to check it out and just take it as we go. So Hell's Backbone, here we go. We'll be back. Okay, so Hell's Backbone's a no-go. The road is really snowed up. There's no way we're gonna make it up to the top, just not doable. So plan B is Bryce Canyon National Park with the rest of the tourists, you know, the people that we try to avoid. And at least right there we know we can see some stuff. But this road's a no-go. It's way too dangerous. And it's putting a lot of strain on the Jeeps to fight in this snow. So anyway, let's go to Bryce Canyon. We'll be back. Okay, so Milena doesn't want to be in the shot, so she's in there. Say hi, Milena.
Hi. Here's
Milena driving again. I'm taking a break. All right, so we're headed to Bryce National Park, where it's a sure bet we'll be able to see some things. I'm a little bit disappointed that we couldn't get up to Hell's Backbone. It was just too risky. So anyway, we kind of had a little bit of a discussion on whether we wanted to go take an off-road trail to the south real close to town or drive an hour to the national park. So we're here. We figure the national park at least is a sure bet. We'll get in, we'll see some scenery. Don't know how much hiking I can do with this bum knee, but we'll give it a shot. So anyway, I plan on getting some tripod footage there at the national park. I'm going to change lenses here in a minute. We'll be back. Okay, we stopped at a site called Mossy Cave. A little bit of a snowy hike. We're gonna go check this out. Okay, so Elizabeth and I are walking along this snowy trail to this place called, what is this? What kind of cave? Mammoth Cave or something?
I did not look at it.
Anyway, I don't know where Milena and Andreas went, but yeah, quite the view out here. Anyway, we'll be back. Okay, so what did we see up there?
A cave and a waterfall.
Was it good?
It was pretty.
Milena, ¿qué viste allá?
La cueva.
¿Cómo se llama este cueva?
The cave.
Elizabeth, did you get some good photos and video?
Mm-hmm.
Did you get some videos of the waterfall? Because I didn't.
Se llama la cueva y está llena de hielo.
Está llena de hielo, pero ¿cómo se llama? Mossy Cave.
Mossy Cave.
Okay. Okay, so we're arriving at Bryce Canyon National Park. We went to that Mossy Cave, did that little trail there, just about a half mile up and a half a mile back. It was a pretty good little hike. Very pretty, except for the common tourists that were there. It was a nice view. So anyway, we're going to check out Bryce National Park and see what it's all about. We'll be back.
Elisa, foto acá, Juan.
Okay, this is Bryce Point. It's got about 2 feet of ice and snow. There's Elizabeth. Say hi, Elizabeth. Kind of tricky with all this ice.
Just click on my face, okay. And then this one to focus. Okay. And then click the other way.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. I'll focus. Yeah. I know it's kind of tricky.
Yeah.
Mira ese arco allá.
Qué hermosura, ¿no?
Y acá se ve todo el banco.
Personas han bajado.
Es que hoy llovía.
El video.
Uy, acá está chévere.
Okay, so this about gets it for Bryce Canyon. We're going to head back to Escalante, and there's one trail that we're going to try to get in if we can get there before it gets too late. There's Melanie, she's driving. I changed lenses, so I lost wide angle. So we're going to try to get this trail. It runs off of the Hole in the Rock Road, and it's got, supposedly has a natural bridge on it, and it's got some arches too. It's only about 8 miles, so if we can get back before too late, it's 2 o'clock right now, I'll get back around 3:30, we may have time to do this trail. So anyway, we're going to punch out from Bryce National Park and head back to Escalante. We'll be back.